Hey nail besties, I am so excited because today we are going to be reviewing LaCatrina Nails Texas. Now, Monica, the owner, was actually one of my first besties ever. Back when I had like 20 subscribers, she was commenting on my stuff and, being supportive. So I kind of love this full circle moment because now she has her own brand. So this is really, really meaningful for me. And I am so, so grateful to Monica for sending me two of her collections. As always, a full disclosure, she did send these to me. However, as you guys know, I will always give my honest opinion on things. And any brand that sends me PR knows this, as PR is no expectations. This is not a collaboration or a paid or sponsored video. With that said, let's move on. Now, what you see here is future me. I've already done my mani with these because I recorded the entire unboxing and then the video completely disappeared. I am still getting the hang of my new ZVE10 and I don't know what the heck happened, but I was really sad about that because the packaging was absolutely stunning, but y'all are just gonna have to take my word for it. Anyway, let's get right into it with some swatching. Here are all the polishes lined up. Let's get into it.
Water, earth, fire, air,
ether. Okay, I'm sorry, but I could not miss that once in a lifetime opportunity to do that. I don't really talk a lot about myself on here, but I am a huge gamer girl and proud geek, so it had to be done. But anyway, here's the Elements collection, and tell me that it is not stunning. I love it so much. Okay, let's move on to the Baile de los Muertos collection, Dance of the Dead. And for those of you who don't know, I am Hispanic. Spanish is my first language. This is Pista de Baile, which is dance floor, and it's so, so pigmented as you guys can see. Ritmo del alma, rhythm of the soul. Mi sabor, my flavor, and this is a stunning sheer. Cumbia, this is a very fun, vibrant Colombian dance, and this color embodies it so well. It's just as fun and vibrant. Sueños, dreams, very dreamy. Fuego de otoño, fire of fall. This is such a perfect name for this stunning color. And here they all are. This is 2 coats, although a lot of these only really needed 1, but they are so, so stunning. I love all of the colors so much. Now let's put them to the test. All right, so I'm all prepped. I went ahead and used my Bling Galleria Builder Gel to glue on the tips. And I have no vision here. I have no idea what I'm gonna do other than I know for sure I want to use air and ether because these colors are absolutely stunning. And then maybe test out the chromability of this matte top coat. Let's see what I come up with. Oh, that is stunning. I love the consistency of this. Like, it's thin enough to be easy to work with, but thick enough to provide decent coverage. The brush is also slightly rounded, so it does work well for getting right up into that cuticle area. Stunning. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. I love everything about this. The consistency, the color, oh, I love it. Now, my pinky is super duper tiny, so it's always the hardest, but as you can see, I can get right up in there with that brush. Okay, so I wanted to incorporate this gorgeous orange and do kind of like a sunset-y vibe, but let's see if it turns out. Oh, that's stunning. Now, I don't do ombres very often, and I'm definitely not a pro with them, but what I do is I just kind of start off really heavy-handed at the bottom and then lighten the touch as I move upwards to kind of create that gradient effect, and I love it. Now using this Pat Pat gel, this is in the Zhejiang store. All right, now we're gonna sponge in some. Now we're going to matte and hope for the best. Now this isn't advertised as chrome proof, so I'm not going to be upset if it's not, but it would be really cool if it is, because there are very few chrome proof hypoallergenic top coats out there. Moment of truth. I'm going to give these a good rub down with some alcohol. Make sure there's absolutely no oil on there. And I'm going to start off with just one finger, just in case. Now, I love star designs, but I hate doing them. They're just so tedious. Like, it's not difficult, it's just annoying and time consuming. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and cure this and see how it goes. Ooh, hold on a second. What? Excuse me, are y'all seeing that? That's absolutely insane. That is the easiest chrome I've ever done. This is even better than the Zejayi one. Wow, okay. Let's go ahead and finish this up then. I haven't decided if I'm going to do anything to these two. I think I like them how they are, but we'll see. Okay, so I did silver on this one, and I can't really decide which one I like more, but let me show y'all how easy this chromes. Because, like, what? That's nuts. All right, I ended up just going over it again and making them all gold so it matches and just kind of to match this color scheme as well. And I really like it. I mean, I had to go over the moon again, so it looks kind of jacked, but it's that matte top coat has seriously blown me away. Now let's top coat Brillo Immortal, Immortal Shine. Hold on, let me clean up my desk here. Okay, so I top coated these and then realized that I used the matte top coat, so they are still matte. And then I hated that moon, but my husband got home, I have to go cook, so I decided to just keep it simple and just do another giant star. All right, let's actually top coat this time with the right one. Okay, so already love the consistency of this. It's not runny, but it's not super goopy. I'm obsessed with these nails. I have to redo this concept for summer. Like a sunset beach vibe with seagulls and the whole nine. I actually kind of prefer the matte, but we're gonna top coat. And it's not pulling any sparkle from the chrome. All right, and here is the finished look. I am absolutely obsessed with these. The colors are stunning. I love the consistency. I love everything about this, and I will definitely be coming back to this brand. All right, so I will check back in with you guys in a few days to see if I reacted. Okay, besties, so I am in the same outfit because again, the intro was filmed by future me. And so it has now been 5 days since I originally did my mani. Absolutely no reaction. I love these so much. I mean, you guys saw in the video how beautiful the colors are, how well they perform. I'm not even like a huge fan of glitters, but these are incredible. I mean, just look at it. Look at it. I am obsessed. Seriously, I don't say that lightly. I have nothing bad to say about this brand. Their top coat has stayed shiny, as you guys saw. I'm currently editing this video 2.5 weeks later, and as you can see, they are still super duper shiny, retention on point, no chipping. The color still looks just as good as ever. There's my kiddo and my pooch. This is how I try to edit videos, y'all. This is why it takes me so long. The colors play very well together. I was even able to do a beautiful ombre. The consistency is actual perfection. It's not like thick and goopy, but it's also not super thin. It's a perfect middle of the road. Normally, I can find something negative to say, even about my favorite brand like Light Elegance, but truly, I have nothing to say about these. It's perfect. It's perfect. So honestly, Monica, kudos to you. You've seriously created an amazing, amazing product. Thank you for caring about us allergic girlies. Monica herself has an acrylate allergy, so I think it's incredible that she was able to turn something negative into something this amazing. And also, as a fellow Hispanic, I love the entire vibe that the brand has going on with Dia de los Muertos. I think it's absolutely beautiful to include heritage and culture into your products. So yeah, this is a brand that I am proud to recommend and would be proud to continue working with. And I absolutely love that it's a small woman-owned business. Y'all know I will take any opportunity to support a small woman-owned business, especially a small minority-owned business, and a fellow bestie. So please go check out LaCatrina Nails. Her page is also full of tutorials. Y'all know I would never attach my name to anything that I don't personally use. I mean, I'm personally using it, and I will continue to do so because these are seriously incredible gels. If you do end up getting them, please let me know how you love them because I'm sure that you will. I don't have an affiliate code or anything. I make no money off of you guys' sales. I really just think they are that amazing and everyone should try them. All right, besties, that is all for this one. I love when I get to do the more positive side of things and when a brand is this amazing because, you know, doing all the negative contact dermatitis stuff can get a little tiring sometimes. So this was a much needed break and I hope it was for you as well. If you aren't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. I have a lot of fun stuff planned and PLA is coming next. That's right, highly, highly requested by you besties and it's finally coming. So make sure you don't miss that one. As always, thank you so much for hanging out with me and I will see you in the next one.